Your T-Mobile Wi-Fi box, also called the home internet gateway, might shut down due to three main reasons: overheating, power issues, or sleep mode settings. Overheating happens when the box gets too hot, triggering an automatic shutdown to prevent damage. Power problems, like unstable voltage, can also cause unexpected reboots or shutdowns. Lastly, the device has a built-in sleep mode to save energy, which can make it seem like it's turning off when it's just disconnecting from Wi-Fi after a period of inactivity. The T-Mobile Nokia 5G21 model and its successors operate on a Linux-based OS with proprietary firmware. To resolve shutdown issues, first ensure your T-Mobile Wi-Fi box has proper ventilation. Clean any dust from vents and place it in a cool, open area away from heat sources. Next, check the power adapter and outlet for issues. Consider using a UPS battery backup for stable power supply. To disable sleep mode, use the T-Mobile app. In recent firmware updates like 2.15.0, find the toggle to disable it entirely. As a last resort, try resetting the device. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds for a soft reset or 20 seconds for a factory reset. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for further assistance.